Let's check out if Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G has the option to charge other devices. And unfortunately, straight from the get-go, I can tell you that we do not have wireless power sharing on this phone. So you will not be able to do so without a USB cable. So we're gonna use a USB-C to USB-C cable, and we're gonna connect our Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G to another smartphone. In this case, I am using Pro Plus, but it doesn't really matter. And after connecting, as you can see, I am indeed charging other phone with my Note 15 Pro. I can also go to notifications in case that doesn't happen, and you might want to check a notification about charging this device via USB or something like that, and then you might be able to switch. So let me actually try to make it show, just in case. So unfortunately, this time the other phone is still being charged. There we go. Now it is the other way around. So if that happens, if you connect your phone to another one and it is being charged instead of charging, then you will find this notification, charging this device via USB. And over here we need to switch to reverse charging. There we go, and it works. So that's pretty much it. Unfortunately, like I said, this is the only method, and you have to use USB-C to USB-C cable. Subscribe to my channel.